A few months ago, when I got my D850, I also invested in an XQD card besides the SD card, so I could compare the speeds of the two and have both the slots occupied in case of overflows. The camera was still on an older firmware, and to update it, I would have to copy the firmware to the primary card, which happened to be my XQD card. The solution was a simple one. I copied the firmware to my SD card and simply made my SD card as the primary card. Once the update was done, I switched the XQD card back to being the primary. More recently, I ran into an issue which happens at times even with my earlier Nikon bodies. For some strange reason, Lightroom refused to import more than a few files. The only way out, that I already knew from my earlier experience, was to copy the files from the card to the hard drive or SSD and then import them to Lightroom. Since I never bothered to get an XQD card reader, this was an issue. Fortunately, the D850 offers a very simple card-to-card copy operation. Once again, the solution was simple. I just copied the contents of my primary XQD card by selecting all the images on the XQD card to the SD card, and then I just used my standard SD card reader to transfer them to my computer. And of course, after that, Lightroom had no issues importing all of those. Hope these small tips help some people who have similar issues. That's it for now. Have fun. Till the next one.